Press button again to delete ticket.
Wait.
Oh my God.
A second ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What?
Press button to cross.
Okay.
Wait.
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Excuse me?
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking. Press button to cross.
I'm trying, dude.
Wait.
Stop. Go back and press button.
I got you back already, just standing here.
Well, every time you press
Yes,
it,
you in the red, sir. Press the button.
every time you press it,
Yes, you in the red, sir.
One more time, please.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Press button to cross.
Wait.
A ticket has been issued for baby jaywalking.
What?
A ticket has been issued for baby jaywalking.
What the heck?
Press button to cross.
Wait.
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Wait.
Ma'am, you just got a ticket for
I
jaywalking.
haven't walked.
Andreas.
All three of you ladies just got a ticket for jaywalking.
We haven't walked.
Wait.
A second ticket has been issued.
We haven't done anything.
Press button again
Why?
to delete ticket.
Wait.
A third ticket, a fourth ticket, a fifth ticket was sent.
A ticket has been issued for riding your bike in the crosswalk.
What?
You are not allowed to ride your bicycle in the crosswalk.
What do you say?
A ticket has been issued.
What are you talking about?
Wait. Press button to cross. 100, 99, 98, 97, 95. Oh shit, I forgot 96. Press button for surprise. Press button for surprise. A ticket has been issued.
A ticket has been issued?
Please put down your drinks before crossing, or a ticket will be issued for drinking coffee while crossing the street.
Are they serious? They told me to put the drinks down before I cross.
Please press button to cross.
It's great. Walk sign is under.
A ticket has been issued for drinking coffee while crossing the street.
What the hell?
Please pick up the dog next time you cross. Thank you.
What? What? Pick up the dog.
Pick up the dog. A ticket has been issued. Press button again to delete ticket.
Wait.
Oh my God.
A second ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What? I am not gonna take it for jaywalking.
A picture has been taken.
What? What? No, I'm not jaywalking.
Your picture has been taken with face recognition technology. A ticket will be issued.
What? Denise!
Press button to cross. Only one person at a time, please. Press button for a second person to cross. Press button again. A ticket has been issued.
What?
Press button for surprise. A ticket has been issued.
A ticket has been issued?
What?
Ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
For who?
We didn't walk.
Jaywalk?
Wait. 199. Wait.
Get back here. You get a ticket.
Well, I had the walking.
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What?
Oh my God. Oh my God, that's the camera. I'm telling you, I'm pressing this. I'm pressing this.
100.
99, 98,
I thought I was giving the price on the ticket.
Gentleman with the dog, press the button to cross, please.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please pick up your dog
Why?
while crossing the street.
Okay.